Welcome to Amoa 640. Yay! I'm so happy you're here.
Thank you.
So can I ask you what your skin concerns are?
My concerns are like the redness, and
Okay.
maybe like my face needs to have more bouncy, make myself look beautiful, every year.
You're already beautiful. Alright, then we can get the brightening package, which starts with the Reboot Peel and Clear Clarity Laser.
Oh.
Let's go see the doctor now.
Yay!
Yay!
약간 붉은기가 있으신데 아주 심한 건 아니셔서 네.
So the doctor does notice you have a bit of redness all over your face, but in your case, it's not very severe.
Okay.
With the Clear Clarity Laser, the doctor will be addressing the redness on your face.
Okay.
And today, you're not removing any spots and moles, so yeah, it'll be just Clear Clarity Laser.
Okay, thank you. Oh my god, I have no wrinkles. I told my friends already, they didn't
you have really
believe.
good skin.
Yeah.
So your pores, this rectangular area represent the people in your age group. And compared to the average of your age group, your pore sizes are on the average. It's not enlarged. You're doing better than the average.
Yeah.
Congratulations. Today we're focusing on the redness. Are you ready?
Yes.
Alright, let me take you to the treatment room.
Thank you.
Yay, your skin is glowing. Okay, Nicole,
Yes.
this is the treatment for today. How do you feel afterwards?
Oh, I feel so relaxed. And
I
I think
saw
I
you
fell
take-
asleep.
I know, you were enjoying your little nap.
And I like the laser, like I could feel the burning, but it's good. And now I saw my face is like more refreshed, so I'm really
Right.
happy.
How
Yeah.
was the red light therapy?
Awesome, so good.
So good, right?
Yeah.
And also, was the gas painful during the Clear Clarity
No,
laser?
no, it wasn't. Just like a shock only because I was sleeping and then.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
It can be a little bit surprising, but yeah, it's not painful.
Yeah, but I feel good. I feel my face is very clean.
Right.
Yeah.
Especially our last step, the cooling mask, the modeling pack is really good.
Yeah, that's really good.
Yeah.
I actually do that like every day.
I know, me too. I'm so happy that you enjoyed today's skincare experience and hope to see you at the clinic soon, very, very soon.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Bye, everyone.